Why does a country need a constitution? Why is it so crucial? Well, it's because a constitution lays out the fundamental principles, structure, and operations of a state. It serves as the foundation of the legal and political system, providing a framework for governance, democracy, and the protection of individual rights and freedoms. In essence, it's the supreme law of the land. Take, for instance, the Constitution of the Islamic Republic of Pakistan. Adopted by the Constituent Assembly of Pakistan on March 12, 1973, and coming into effect on August 14th of the same year, it has been the backbone of the nation ever since. It's been amended several times, reflecting the changing needs and aspirations of the people. The Constitution of Pakistan starts with a preamble. This preamble outlines the objectives of the Constitution, which include the establishment of an Islamic state, the preservation of democracy, and the promotion of social justice, equality, and fraternity. Following the preamble is Part 2, which guarantees fundamental rights to the citizens of Pakistan. These rights include the right to equality, freedom of speech and expression, freedom of religion, and protection against discrimination. These rights are essential for the well-being and dignity of every individual in the society. Next up is Part 2A, which outlines the principles of policy to be followed by the state. These principles are related to democracy, social justice, economic equality, and the promotion of local government institutions. Part 3 defines Pakistan as a federal republic composed of 4 provinces: Punjab, Sindh, Khyber Pakhtunkhwa, and Balochistan, along with federally administered territories and tribal areas. Part 4 further details the powers and functions of the provincial governments, including legislative powers, administrative responsibilities, and financial arrangements. Part 5 establishes the federal government's structure and functions, which include the executive, legislature, and judiciary. It outlines the powers and responsibilities of the President, Prime Minister, Parliament, and federal ministers. Moving on to Part 9, it contains provisions related to Islam, including the declaration that sovereignty over the entire universe belongs to Allah, the recognition of Islam as the state religion, and the establishment of an Islamic way of life. Finally, Part 7 outlines the procedure for amending the Constitution, which requires a 2/3 majority in both houses of Parliament. In conclusion, the Constitution of the Islamic Republic of Pakistan reflects the country's Islamic heritage, democratic values, and commitment to social justice and equality. It serves as a guiding beacon for the nation, providing a framework that has been instrumental in shaping the country's legal and political landscape. It is through this constitution that the state ensures the preservation of rights, the promotion of social justice, and the establishment of a democratic and Islamic way of life.